Ka sorkar jela ka don ka jingkermen ban la ban penken ria ya ki basong de jing de harut surok ban Lynti ya Kjat na Khyndailad sheki lightly ki jaka shong de jing de bala pen krea da ka sorkar haswa ka arpu arterek unaitung arhajar arpusan kenang ban la pat ban wanra ya ki project pen internet ba kentop ya ka jaka barung na Khyndailad sha sun kumju sha jail road kum ki pedestrian zone uba pol lingdo menteri bari kmi ya ka tanat tourism bat nong aktien ka sorkar MDA2 ha ka nyaw terek unaitung arhajar arpusan ula ong batang Pynkylla pedestrian zone ya kita ki jaka ki nong shong shnong ki basa Syndah ka Khyndailad on sa ai da ki pas bakin poying ringkat ka por ban rung ban mi halor ka jing batha ka high court baki hawkers kin de jing de tang lai kan ta ha ka shisngi kata nadu ka por khat architect mensngi bat hadu arbje no phai sngi bat nyaw shiteng janmiet hadu khandai bje janmiet ha Khyndailad tat hadu banda penkin ria uba pol ula ong baka penklan ya ka mukadama ka sorkar.
By 22nd of July, we expect complete compliance by all vendors.
So total relocation will be done
Before the 22nd
of July.
of July, meaning everything will be freezed on that day itself. One major plan that we have been advocating is the pedestrianization of the entire road from the entry point to Khyndailad up to Jail Road on the right side and Sun on the left side.
So there will be beautification.
Beautification, there will be pedestrianization, and only those staying in that particular area will be issued passes which will allow them to reach their homes, and that also it will not be throughout the day. We will have timing, entry timing and also exit timing.
So the resident in those areas, they cannot just rent on the ticket.
Yeah, you can't. No. We will enforce to ensure that pedestrians are safe to walk through. So there'll be specific hours for them to leave the area and to enter the area. Muda, we almost it's available now. Everything is already in place, and this is phase one. Once we are successful in phase one, we will then take up the remaining phases. Are you saying that the street is their natural habitat, their home? We have done much than what any other government would have done. Gone out of our way, invested in that space, and given them more than a year's time to relocate. So we've been very fair.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai Khyndailad bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.